Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to Lesson 17. In the last two lessons, you were listening for intonation. Keep listening for the fall in intonation at the end of questions and practice them. In this lesson, you will learn some starter conversations to build your vocabulary. You will also learn some polite phrases that are used to show continuing interest in the conversation. As always, keep repeating the phrases that you hear. I've included some exercises for you to download and print in the description below. Let's start.
It's a bit cold today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I hope it gets better soon. I want to start playing golf.
Oh really, you play golf? Me too. Who is your favourite player?
Tiger Woods, for sure.
Where do you play?
Near my home in Shanghai, there's a golf course.
So you live in Shanghai, that's interesting. It's an exciting place, isn't it?
Yes, there's so much happening there these days, it's amazing. What about you? Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. I live in Brasilia, the capital.
Oh yes? I've never been there.
You should go, it's a beautiful city.
Look at and listen to the lesson part of the video several times. Try to imitate the intonation. If possible, practice with a friend. Then do the exercises on the page I have linked in the description below. Practice often. You will learn. If my videos are helpful, please give them a thumbs up. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, click on the subscribe button. I'll see you in Lesson 18. Goodbye.